Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you this brand new vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Discovery Dynamic HSE commercial. The vehicle features a 3-litre D200 diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This Discovery is finished in a stunning Eiger grey exterior colouring. Now the vehicle sits on these 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish. At the front of the vehicle we have these matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. And at the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lamps. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, this being a commercial vehicle, you have no rear seats in the rear of this vehicle, meaning that you have extra storage capacity and you could quite easily fit wherever you may desire in the rear of this vehicle. Located underneath these rubber boot mats, we have access to extra storage capacity. On this control panel on the left here, we have access to a 12-volt power outlet, the ability to raise and lower the vehicle's ride height to help with loading the vehicle, and also access to our electrically deployable tow bar. At a click of a button, our electric powered tailgate will close itself for you. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional steering wheel, our colour touchscreen display, and these gorgeous ebony leather seats with white contrast stitching and white contrast piping. Now these seats are electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available. They are also heated and cooled and even feature a memory function so that the driver and passenger can always resume the perfect travelling position. Now taking a look at our leather multifunctional steering wheel. On the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls, and on the right of the steering wheel we have our lane keeping aid, cruise control, speed limiter. Now this Land Rover Discovery has done 13 miles, however this can be subject to change due to test drives. Now the vehicle also features multiple driver displays to choose from, including navigation, media, trip summary, 4x4 information, driver assistance, a clock, and the ability to turn it off for anyone who might find this distracting. Now taking a look at the vehicle's colour touchscreen display. As you can see, we have all the essentials like a DAB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system so that the driver can easily navigate to their destination. The vehicle is also equipped with a 3D surround camera system, which is a great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. By clicking on seats, we can adjust the temperature on our heated and cooled front seat controls. The vehicle is also equipped with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and even a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe when having the vehicle valeted. By clicking on 4x4 information, we can access key information to have when taking the vehicle off-roading. And we also have easily accessible vehicle dimensions, which once again is another great feature to have when trying to fit your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. The vehicle is also equipped with an electrically deployable tow bar, making this vehicle perfectly suitable for carrying trailers, boats, or maybe even jet skis. Now taking a look at the vehicle's climate control system. As you can see, the climate controls are both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. Once again, at a click of a button, we can access our heated and cooled front seat controls, ensuring that everyone who travels within this vehicle can travel at the perfect temperature.
This vehicle comes with 3 years manufacturer's warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 017 858 99446 or inquire online now.